Welcome, in front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5, and in this video I will show you what to do if your laptop doesn't want to connect to the Wi-Fi. So the first thing that you can do is slide down the control center and then try to either toggle your Wi-Fi icon, or alternatively you can toggle airplane mode in here. Then let your Wi-Fi reconnect to the network and see if it helped you. And in case if it didn't, then go to settings. In settings, select Wi-Fi, then select the network that you're connected to, tap forget, then reconnect to the network. I'm not sure which one it was, but I'm gonna reconnect to another one. Okay, so once you're reconnected to the Wi-Fi, check if it works for you. You can alternatively you can try to connect to other networks if you have any available around you, to see if it's not the issue. Then in case your problem still isn't solved, try restarting both your router if you have access to it, and if you don't have access to it, then restart your tablet. To do that, hold down the power button until you see this screen, select restart, confirm, and wait until your tablet is restarted. Now check if this solved your issue, and if your problem still stands, then what you can do is reset your network settings. And to do that, go to System and Update section on your tablet, go to Reset Network Settings, select Reset Network Settings, confirm. Okay, and you'll be notified once they reset right here at the bottom. Then you can try to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network once again. First, go to Wi-Fi settings, enable your Wi-Fi, find the network that you want to connect to and enter the password to it. Click connect. And at this point your problem should be resolved, but if not, then you can also go to System and Updates, check System Update, and check if your device has any updates. Well, of course, if you have some alternative kind of connections, because for a connection, because you're gonna need to have the internet connection if you want to check for updates. And if nothing helped in such case, then I recommend contacting your internet provider and asking them if there is an issue on their side, because it's most likely the reason in such case. And if there is no problem on their side, then contact HUAWEI customer support service and tell them about your issue, and they will probably guide you through some more troubleshooting steps. But I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.